What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be coming at you with a quick tutorial on how to implement fragments into your Android Studio project. So fragments can be used like activities, but they're not activities, and Google recommends that all Android developers start using them. So I'll show you what I mean. So when I load up my app, it should start at the main fragment, and if I swipe left, it'll go to the left fragment, and swipe right again, main fragment, swipe right again, right fragment. You see I can't swipe anymore on either side. Okay, so now that you saw what we're going to do, let's get started. I'm going to go over and create a new Android Studio project and bring it over here. And I'm going to name this Fragment Tutorial. And I'm going to leave everything the default, empty activity, main activity. Okay, so once I've got that up and running, I'm going to go to my main activity XML file and set out of that, and I'm going to switch this to a relative layout and then delete the default text view saying hello world and add in a view pager and match parent, and then Android ID, name this view pager. I'll go ahead and collapse the tags. Okay, so once I've done that, I'm going to go over to my, can exit out of my main activity Java and the XML file for now, and I'm going to create a new package. I'm going to just name this Fragments. I'm going to create 3 new Java classes. So left fragment, right fragment, and the main fragment. Okay, and then once I've done that, I'm going to create XML files for each of these fragments. So just go to do that, just go to your res, layout, new, right-click new, layout resource file, and I'll name the first one fragment underscore left, fragment underscore right, fragment underscore main. Okay, and after that, I will go to my any of the fragments XML files, and I will name, or I'll make it a linear layout, and simply add a text view so we can tell which fragment's which. Main fragment. And then you can see that here, and then I'll just copy this and put it into my right fragment. Okay, so once that's done, I can exit out of the XML files, and I'll start with the left fragment. And right off the bat, I'm going to want to make sure this extends fragment. And then when you're doing this, make sure you do the android.support.v4.app. And that's the library you import. Okay, so we'll then do public static and left fragment and new instance. Okay, and left fragment equals new left fragment. Okay, and return fragment. Come down here and create an override method. Public view on create view layout inflator, view group, container, bundle, saved instance state. Open that up. View equals inflator.inflate r.layout dot fragment underscore left container false. Okay. And then return the view. And then it wants me, I'm going to hit Alt Enter, which will import my fragment XML file. Okay, so once I've done that, the code's basically all the same, so I'll just copy and paste that over into both of my other fragments. And for the right fragment, instead of left fragment, it'll be right fragment. Okay. And same thing for the main fragment. Okay, so once that's done, I'm done with the Fragment Java classes, and I'm ready to head over to the main activity code. And first thing I will do in this code is declare my pager adapter. And I'll name this adapter view pager. Okay, and go down under here and initialize my view pager. Okay. Adapter view pager dot set adapter view pager. I've already done something wrong. After view pager, I will do adapter view pager equals new my pager adapter get support fragment manager. Okay, so now adapter view pager dot set adapter view pager, and then view pager dot set current item. And I will make this one, and I'll explain that in just a minute. So once I'm down here, we'll go ahead and import a few methods. So what I want to do here is import Android support v4 app dot and copy that. Fragment manager and fragment state pager adapter. Okay, so now that that's done, I can come down here and create a public static class, my pager adapter, which extends fragment state pager adapter. Public my pager adapter, and then fragment manager, name it FM, and that call the super. Okay, after that, just a simple override method. And I want to do public fragment get item integer position. Okay. Now I just do a switch position. And then for case 0, I want it to return the left fragment new instance. And then for case 1, I'll have it return the main fragment new instance. And for the case 2, I will do return right fragment new instance. And then this is where you can see where we set the current item. We want to just load the main fragment right off the bat. So that is why we have the 1 there. Okay, and then just return null. Okay, and then you will have one more override method, and that will be public int get count, and then return 3, since we have 3 fragments. Okay, and then let's see what I messed up here. I put adapter view pager here, and I want to put view pager. Okay, so once that is fixed, you should be good to go. So let's go ahead and run this and just make sure. And there we go. That is how you implement fragments into your Android Studio application. So thanks for watching. If you don't mind leaving a like, comment with any problems. If you could subscribe, that'd be a great help to me. And as always, I will put the source code in, or I'll put the source code on GitHub, and I'll put the GitHub link in the description. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.